Hello friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your YouTube channel private. In simple terms, just simple to hide your channel and its contents, right? So you want to head over to youtube.com first and foremost, and you want to ensure that you signed in to your account on the upper right hand side. Now once you're signed in, you will see your picture if you have a picture there, and you'll be able to access the YouTube studio, right? So you just want to click on the YouTube studio here, and this will take you into your channel. Now once you're inside your channel, you want to go ahead and click on settings on the lower left hand side. Then from here, click on channel, and then you click on advanced settings. Scroll down to where you'll find the option that says remove YouTube content. This will be at the bottom on the other settings, so you want to click on that. Now from here, it will ask you to enter your password. So you want to go ahead and ensure that you fill in your password, then click on next. And you will have two options that basically give you to delete your channel permanently, or you will have the option that says I want to hide my channel. So you want to click on that. It will expand, and you want to ensure that you read whatever you want here. So all you have to do is simply go ahead and check these boxes. Once you're satisfied, then you click on hide my content. Then you'll have this pop-up here. Just simply click hide my content again. And from here, it will do a quick update. And as you can see, my channel is now hidden. So this is how you can easily go ahead and private or hide your YouTube channel on YouTube. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.